Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garrett County in western Maryland, Preston County in northern West Virginia, eastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, eastern Marion County in northern West Virginia, southeastern Fayette County in southwest Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 12:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Gladesville and was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Gladesville, Newburgh, Browns Chapel, Fellowsville, Winfield, Everettville, Rivesville, Tunnelton, Westover, Morgantown, Roseburg, Delslow. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.